monthly forecast are based on your moon sign as well as your Lagna sign as well as your ascendant. You can take this whole monthly forecast report according to your moon sign, as well as if you don't know you from your birth chart, your ascendant, your Lagna sign, you can take the prediction, the whole prediction according to your ascendant, according to your Lagna, or according to your moon sign. Virgo monthly brief forecast, month of May 2021. Virgo, in this coming month of May, you will be in contact with a lot of professional people, powerful people. You're involved in a lot of new projects, new ventures, new ideas. But your major important tasks can be delayed due to a lot of technical obstacles. Virgo, by the end of this month, you'll come across lots of financial complications. Sometimes expenditure can be sky high, more than your imagination. You'll come across a lot of domestic issues, domestic situation, domestic scenarios. Sometimes peace of mind, happiness will not be there. You can be very restless. Health-wise, you must look after your lower abdomen, your back, your joint. If you're involved in any kind of a joint venture, then please making sure that you should not be in any kind of a living conflict or detachment or any kind of attitude problem. Look after your partner's health and well-being. This particular month, may I say that refrain from foul temper and do watch your attitude. Sometimes you can be very restless. Health need to be properly addressed regarding your abdomen and the back. And you have to be making sure that you can earn quite a lot of money this month. You can make a lot of productive deeds and but you have to be on track. Emotionally, you should not be distracting yourself. There are a lot of unique opportunities in the whole month, but sometimes you'll come across a lot of oppositions, enemies, people who can wind you up, but try not to be distracted. This particular month, you have a time, you have energy, you can do better, you can achieve quite a lot, but make sure you should not be distracted at all by any negative people or negative entity. This particular month, as long as you are on the track, you receive honor, you achieve position, you can make the best out of your regarding wealth, prosperity, name, fame, with your own vigor and vitality, with your own hard work. Emotionally, you have to be balanced. But due to position of Ketu in third house, beware of lack of communication. Do watch your communication and make sure there should not be any like a fake information you're receiving. Beware of scam, of lack of clarity or confusion. Refrain from any kind of a lack of concentration or focus. Mercury Rahu in ninth house. You must beware of a professional conflict with higher authorities. Look after your back. Any issue linked with lower abdomen, cheating, deception, fraud. And Jupiter position in 6th house. Sometimes you feel hurt, sad or disappointed. Sun Venus position in 8th house. Beware of any kind of a relationship issues, loss of confidence in the relationship, or any kind of a scandalous relationship in your life. You might need a complete monthly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole month, which can define you Sun's position for the whole month, Sun's effect for the whole month regarding decision maker support, your legal status for the whole month, your legality, anything to do with legality, anything to do with people who are decision makers toward you. Mars effect for the whole month, your courage, your confidence, your family support, your fighting ability. Mercury's impact for the whole month, your flow of communication, flow of money, flow of information. What sort of business professional opportunities will be there to make the best out of this particular whole month? Venus effect for the whole month means your comfort level, your love life, your luxuries, your lifestyle. The whole monthly report will define you the task, astrological task, what you should do to get rid of any of your problems and complications. precautions, what you shouldn't do for the whole month, and chanting, how you can boost yourself spiritually, what chanting you must do to build up your, become power generator, raise yourself from any drastic situation. Spiritual power is millions times powerful than any physical power. So spiritual chanting can be extremely useful, very, very finest to improve yourself. If you want this kind of extensive report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, and achieve your best.